Imagine this. Amid the chaos of daily life, endless notifications, mounting stress, and that nagging inner voice, some people move through it all with effortless calm. They're not immune to challenges. They've mastered the art of inner peace. Backed by psychological research, this isn't about escaping reality, but embracing it fully. Studies from the Journal of Clinical Psychology show mindfulness reduces anxiety by up to 30%, while self-compassion fosters resilience. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or disconnected, these 9 behaviors of truly peaceful individuals could be your roadmap to serenity. Drawn from real-life examples and expert insights, let's explore how small shifts can lead to profound harmony. Starting today. 1. Embracing solitude. People at peace cherish alone time as a recharge, not as a form of isolation. Psychology highlights solitude as key to self-reflection and emotional regulation, per Studies in Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin. Take Sarah, a busy executive. Overwhelmed by meetings, she started scheduling me-time walks. No phone, just thoughts. Soon, her stress melted, replaced by clarity. Try it. Carve out 10 minutes daily to sit quietly. Watch how it builds inner strength. 2. Not sweating the small stuff. Truly, peaceful folks let go of minor annoyances, focusing on what matters. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, teaches this reframing to reduce chronic stress. Remember my grandmother's vase story? A shattered heirloom became a lesson. Things break, people matter. When a coworker snapped at me recently, I breathed and moved on. Instant calm. Practice. Next spill or delay, ask, will this matter in a year? 3. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness anchors them in the now, curbing rumination. A meta-analysis in JAMA Internal Medicine links it to lower depression rates. John, a veteran with PTSD, began 5-minute breathing exercises. Over months, flashbacks faded, replaced by presence. Incorporate it. During meals, savor each bite fully, transform routine into peace. 4. Expressing gratitude regularly. They spot silver linings, boosting dopamine via positive psychology principles from Martin Seligman. Amid a job loss, Lisa journaled 3 daily gratitude notes, like family support. It shifted her mindset from despair to hope. Start a gratitude jar. Note wins weekly, review for uplift. 5. Being comfortable with vulnerability. Peaceful people embrace emotions, knowing vulnerability builds authenticity, as Brené Brown's research shows. After a breakup, Mike shared his pain with friends instead of hiding. The support deepened bonds and healed him faster. Tip: journal fears honestly. Vulnerability is strength. 6. Prioritizing mental health. They treat self-care as essential, aligning with WHO guidelines on preventive mental wellness. During my tough year, yoga and therapy turned chaos to clarity. Peaceful individuals schedule check-ins like doctor visits. Action: build a routine, meditate, seek help when needed. 7. Being kind to themselves. Self-compassion replaces self-criticism, per Kristin Neff's studies, enhancing emotional resilience. After a failed project, Emma forgave herself. I'm learning. This inner kindness fueled growth. Practice. Speak to yourself as a friend. Watch peace bloom. 8. Letting go of past regrets. They release grudges, supported by forgiveness research in the Journal of Positive Psychology for better well-being. Tom forgave a betraying friend, freeing mental space. Result: lighter heart, more joy. Technique: write unsent letters, release, and move forward. 9. Staying true to themselves. Authenticity is their core, as humanistic psychology, e.g. Carl Rogers, emphasizes for self-actualization. Despite peer pressure, Mia pursued art over a stable job, finding fulfillment. Stay true. Align actions with values daily. Inner peace isn't elusive, it's built through these habits. As the Dalai Lama said, peace starts within. Start small and transform your life. For more psychology insights, subscribe and share your peace journey below. What behavior will you try first?